How to play Pokemon Go without walking. So this is a very easy tutorial. First, you just have to launch your Pokemon Go application. Make sure that this one is the latest version. Now, what you're going to do here is to tap your profile photo at the bottom left corner. So you have to tap this one. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply look for Niantic. But before anything else, let me remind you that before doing this or following this, you have to be aware and cautious with doing this. Okay, so you must use it properly because the tendency is that it may make your account banned. So this is only for good things, okay? Never violate any rules. So here you just have to look for Niantic, tap this one, tap this button. And then what you're going to do here is just simply create an account, create your account here. And you can read here that Niantic ID is your primary unique identity across all of Niantic's games and experiences. So you just have to save your information and then you can exit this one now. What you're going to do next is to simply go to any web browser, for example, Google web browser, and this time you have to search for this name, PG Sharp, and you have to make sure that this one is compatible with the phone that you're using, okay, the device that you're using. Okay, so you just have to download this one and then install. Now, once done, all you have to do is to click open. Okay, so this PG Sharp is only available for Android users. So once you use this one, once you open this one, you can now catch a Pokemon. You can play Pokemon Go without walking. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.